What's up guys, this is Bernick Sumalog and our content for today is let's questioning my mother about language and communication, and let's go. Let's question my mother. Good evening everyone. So this is my mother and I asked her a few questions. So number one, what is language?
Language is a man's most effective communication.
Number two, what is the difference between language and communication?
Language is a construct of communication. It is a system of grammar, sounds that is standardized enough to be used by two people and to convey information to one another.